Ever wanted to make your animations truly electrifying, giving characters that cinematic power they deserve? Let's dive into crafting an awesome aura power effect in Adobe After Effects. Perfect for injecting energy into your projects. First, begin within your After Effects composition by selecting the layer you want to have an aura. Consider a character or object for this cool effect. Now, duplicate that base layer. That copy will form the foundation for your aura. So we're setting the stage. Open up the Effects and Presets panel and type Glow into the search bar. Then, drag the glow effect onto the duplicated layer. Now that you've applied the glow effect, you are ready to customize it. Head over to the Effects Control panel and begin tweaking the glow settings. Experiment with the glow radius. Increase it to make the aura larger and more encompassing. And you might also play with the glow intensity to control how bright it will be. For extra visual punch, let's add more energy. Then, search for Fractal Noise in the Effects and Presets panel. Drag and drop it onto the same duplicated layer that has the glow effect. Within the Fractal Noise parameters, adjust the complexity and contrast settings to make it feel exciting. Increasing the contrast usually adds definition to our aura's edges where your character is, giving it a really slick look. To make it even more reactive, animate the evolution property over time to generate a dynamic, rippling effect. As you see the aura pulsating, we can now see that amazing visual effects we aimed for earlier. And there you have it, a mesmerizing aura effect for your characters. Remember to play around with these numbers to customize your aura to your specific project requirements.